Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. So let's see what we'll be expecting on AUD USD. So let's take a look at the full trend, the overall trend on AUD USD. But before that, follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll be covering more updates on especially USD pairs like gold, GBP USD, and some more. So stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You will find a link in the comment section. So let's see the full trend, overall trend on AUD USD. You can see it is to the downside. So our current trend, if you consider at first, markets eventually rolled up. So our current trend on AUD USD is to the downside. So this is our current trend, meaning market is literally trending to the downside. And we all know which is to trade with the trend and not against the trend. So since we'll be trading with the trend, we will be looking for an opportunity to sell. So you can see on our forward time frame, you can clearly see a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So market has literally been giving us a lower low and a lower high. So there is our lower high here, lower low here, lower high. This is our lower low. So once this lower low finishes, I want you to wait for a lower high. Once the lower high plays out again, then go ahead and sell on AUDUSD. So above all, look for an opportunity to sell because we are still a down trending to the downside. Market is still dropping. So wait for a pullback, which is a lower high. Then after that, then going for a sell for a new lower low. So basically markets will still continue to drop there. If there is going to be any changes, I'll let you know. So to stay updated, you will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.